morning, children. How are you all? Today's earning time. Color of the day. Vedavamai, show me your sketch. What is the color? Very good. Mokshita, show me your crayon. What is the color? What is that color? What is that color? Very good. Rainika, what is that color? Very good. Jessica, show me your ball. What is that color? Very good. Manakshi, show me your ring. What is that color? Gray color. Kartikeya, show me your fruit. What is that color? Yellow color. Mohan, show me your ball. What is that color? Tell me, say loudly. Anvesh, show me your fruit. What is that color? Show me your fruit.